In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Call of Duty Black Ops 7 split screen not working on your Xbox Series X or S. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, to basically go ahead and get split screen working on any console, you're going to need two Activision accounts. You're going to need your main one, which is what you're playing on, and for the second controller you have, you want to make sure that has an Activision account as well. So if you already haven't made one, go ahead and make an Activision account, which is going to be your secondary one, so you can just use a secondary email, anything like that. So that way, when you have guests over, you can use that account for split screen. Now on the right, it says add a controller or keyboard and mouse for split screen. So I'm using PlayStation right now, but on Xbox, all you want to do is go ahead and turn on your Xbox controller. So I'm going to turn on my secondary controller right now. Then it's just going to ask you to, assign a profile. So just assign a profile that is linked to your Activision account. And if it's not linked to your Activision account, then basically it's going to ask you to link it after you sign in with that one. So then after you do that, it's going to say press X to join split screen. So that's what I'm going to do right now. Once you go ahead and press X, it basically logs you in, and then you're going to be on the right there. It's going to show your level and everything as well. So if you're someone who is using a profile that you might have used somewhere else, it's going to show that updated level as well. Like let's say if you were first prestige on somewhere else, it would be the exact same thing. Now all you got to do here is press find a match. You can do this on either controller, and then you can go into any match you want. You can even do a private match if you want to. But for this example, I'll just be doing a quick game of TDM just to show you that split screen should be working as long as both accounts are fully signed in. Now, the only reason it wouldn't work is if either one of them, the profile sign out, or if, let's say, the controller, just completely goes ahead and just disconnects. Like, let's say it runs out of battery or anything like that. That could be another reason why you might not be, having split screen working. But now, as you can see for me, split screen is working exactly how it should, and this is how it should work for you as well. Like I said, unless there's any disconnection issue with your controller, and then just make sure you're signed into the right Activision account, and then you'll be good to go. But it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and check out all our other Black Ops 7 videos on the channel.